Ever struggle with learning Excel? This could be your game changer. Imagine this: hands-on practice in a simulated environment, video tutorials that make learning clear, engaging audio explanations to keep you focused, get one-on-one help from a pro instantly, immediate feedback to see your progress soar. This isn't a dream. It's our all-in-one Excel learning platform. Here's what you'll learn. Excel essentials. Formatting like a boss. Formula wizardry, it's easier than you think. Advanced functions to unlock Excel's true power. We got you covered with finance functions to be a financial whiz. Master text, time and date formatting like a pro. Create stunning charts to showcase your data like a champ. Polish your spreadsheets and print them like a pro. Dive deep into HR analytics, perfect for HR peeps. We have assessments at every step to prove your skills. Each module has quizzes to test your knowledge. Pass the final assessment and earn a certificate to showcase your achievement. This platform offers a variety of learning environments to fit your style so you learn on your terms. Choose from simulations, videos, or audio lessons. You can personalize your learning experience. Tech-enabled on-the-go feedback. Enjoy a full year of simulation environment access to solidify your course knowledge. Practice as you learn with simulation learning, self-paced learning. Get certified on successful completion, flexible schedule, expert guidance, mentor support for clarification and to keep you on track. Ready to level up your Excel skills? Join now.